driver wake for morning, starting morning.
Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe. If you're an OG, thank you for sticking around, thank you for watching my video. Guys, please endeavor to give this video a like, because when you do, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, and of course I'm gonna love it. Thank you. Let's continue. Let's go further. Today we're learning Igbo language as well. We're learning phrases in Igbo language that are very important. Basically, time, oge, time, oge. What we do, sentences you can make around time. Do you understand? Time is oge. When you say oge eruola, it's time now. Oge eruola, it's time now. Oge eruola, oge is time. Oge in English means time. Oge eruola, it's time now. And I have here oge erube, it's not yet time. Oge erube, it's not yet time. Oge erube, it's not yet time. I also have oge naga, time is going. 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 I also have here oforo wantinti oge, it's remaining small time. You're making food in the kitchen and the household, people in the house, they are hungry, and they tell you, please, is this food not done? I want to eat already. You're like, oforo ntinti oge. Oforo wantinti oge. It means it's remaining a small time. It's remaining small time and the food will be done. Oforo wantinti oge. And the next one here is oge kade. There is still time. 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 And the next one here is oge agwola. Time has finished. The time is gone. We've exhausted the time, you know. Oge agwola, time is finished. 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 We also have kedu oge iji abia. Kedu oge iji abia, what time are you coming? Kedu oge iji abia, what time are you coming? Kedu oge iji abia, what time are you coming? Kedu oge iji abia, what time are you coming? We also have here kedu oge iji laba. Kedu oge iji rinaba, what time did you leave? What time did you leave the party? What time did you leave the house? Kedu oge iji laba. Kedu oge iji laba, what time did you leave? What time did you leave? Kedu oge iji rinaba, what time did you leave? You can use laba, you can use naba. I used naba growing up because I'm Anambra, right? But they both mean the same thing. Kedu oge iji rinaba or kedu oge iji rilaba means the same thing. Yes, it means what time did you go? Do you understand? And we have here kedu oge ijiri teta. Kedu oge ijiri teta, what time did you wake up? Kedu oge ijiri teta, what time did you wake up in the morning? You know, kedu oge iji teta na ụtụtụ, what time did you wake up in the morning? Kedu oge ijiri teta na ụtụtụ, what time did you wake up in the morning? We also have kedu oge o mere, when did it happen? 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 We also have here kedu oge ijiri bata, what time did you come back? Kedu oge ijiri bata, What time did you come back? Kedu oge ijiri bata? What time did you come back? Guys, watch my lips. When you watch my lips, these sentences will be very easy for you to make and understand as well. Kedu oge ijiri bata? Kedu oge ijiri bata? What time did you come back? Kedu oge ijiri bata? What time did you come back? And we have another one here. Kedu oge ihuru ya? When did you see him or her? Kedu oge ihuru ya? When did you see him or when did you see her? Ya can be anybody. It can be place, it can be thing, it can be name. Kedu oge ihuru ya? What time did you see her? What time did you see him? You know, stuff like that. That is what it means. So these sentences usually evolve around the time. Do you understand? And we use it often. We use it all the time. We use it all the time. Oforom tinti oge. Kedu oge iji naba? Kedu oge iji bia? Oge rube, oge rugo. We say it all the time, all the time. We use it all the time. That is why I see it as important to bring it to your doorstep so that you can read. Guys, if you have watched this point and you're not subscribed yet, please endeavor to subscribe. Give this video a like, because when you give it a like, YouTube recommends it to a wide range of people. I'm going to love it as well. Yes, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.